Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is weaker as the market gaps open towards a low of 72.71 this morning. With the break of 73.10 on Friday, gives further scope to the downside and now looks to an immediate target of 72.50 with the resistance holding at 73.20. A break of 72.50 will give further scope and hold to the objective now from the 73.10 break of 71.80 to 71.40 and reassess from there. As you can see from a daily time frame, the stochastic and the oscillator from the MACD is supportive of the move down, which should limit the any upside threat, with a firmer resistance seen at 73.65 to 74.10. The euro still progresses lower as the market now looks towards the immediate target of 104.10 to 103.45.60 after printing a near 14-year low around 103.65 on last week on Thursday. In light of the current picture, the market is attempting to recover, but it should be contained from the resistance of 104.65.70 to 105.20.25 and eventually look towards that downside objective. Dollar yen attempting to show a little bit of profit taking now as it backs away from its 12-month high around 118.65 with the outlook towards the immediate target of 117.40 to 116.80. Now, although the dips have been shallow all the way through this 18 big figure uptrend since Donald Trump took presidency back here around that 101.10 trough, is that as I mentioned, the dips have been shallow, so we could see the market rebound from 116.80 up towards its initial target of 118.60 to 119 to 120. Sterling attempting to show some bullish momentum here as the market now rebounds from that 123.60 level. In light of the current pattern, there is enough scope towards 125.15 to 125.55.65, but supply should come back into the market around this region and eventually see the market take out that 123.60 support and then eventually lower towards 122.80 to 122.10. This 6-week downtrend that's been holding in gold still has not been able to break at least any attempt away from its grasp as the market looks now towards a support of 1128 to 1120. With the key trigger beneath there at 1110 should see further scope towards the objective from the break of 1150 to 1050 and reassess from there. In the interim, any upside attempts should see resistance from 1138 and firmer at 1144 to 1150. An interesting recovery on Friday for oil. However, we do need to see a break above 53.60 to get further scope up towards the upside. However, I would be neutral about 53.60. The reason behind that is the market is a little bit too choppy and I would wait to come out for a stronger call in direction and look for either a move back towards that 55.60 if we do get a further break from 53.60. However, while contained at that level, then we should see eventually a move down towards 49.60 and reassess from there. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day ahead and always look out for the intraday report that will be coming to you shortly.